The F-22 Raptor has always been a ghost. It is a shadowy figure in military aviation. For nearly 2 decades it defined what it means to be the best. It's the benchmark all other fighters are measured against, born from the Cold War's last ambitious dreams of air superiority. Its mission: dominate the skies completely. No other aircraft was meant to see it. No other aircraft was meant to hear it. No other aircraft was meant to survive an encounter with it. Designed to be the undisputed king of the air, a title it has held since its first flight. Stealth, speed, agility, it felt like science fiction. Now, when some thought the Raptor's era was winding down, the Pentagon made a shocking move. A $10 billion upgrade. Not a fresh coat of paint, not a minor software patch. A fundamental reimagining of what the F-22 can do. A clear signal, not retiring, but sharpening, keeping the Raptor at the top of the food chain. To understand the significance of the new upgrade, remember why the F-22 became a legend. Its supremacy was built on key technologies that, together, created a fighter unlike any other. Most famous, stealth. Angled surfaces and special coatings deflect and absorb radar energy. It could penetrate deep, detect threats, and engage long before the enemy knew it was there. The ultimate ambush predator. Super Cruise let it sprint efficiently, dictating position and energy. Thrust vectoring unlocked maneuvers others simply cannot match. A powerful radar and passive ears built an unmatched bubble of awareness around the pilot. Sensor fusion turned raw feeds into one clear picture, the aircraft doing the heavy lifting, tracking, prioritizing, advising. Stealth, performance, and information dominance. This triad made the F-22 so feared. The announcement of nearly $11 billion to upgrade the F-22 fleet shocked many observers. With NGAD on the horizon and the F-22 line long closed at 187 aircraft, few expected a massive reinvestment. Enter RACR, Raptor Agile Capability Release, continuous updates, not one monolithic package. Hardware and software injected yearly to stay ahead of evolving threats. Expect major EW enhancements, detect, jam, deceive, upgraded radar and sensors, overhauled comms and data links for a unified picture across the force. All while preserving stealth signature. New antennas, sensors and pods must be low observable from the start. Nothing is plug and play. The Raptor's tightly integrated systems make changes ripple across the jet. The price tag reflects complexity and signals how vital the Raptor remains in U.S. strategy. This is a preemptive strike against obsolescence, breathing new life into the fleet for a far more complex era of warfare. One secretive focus: improving stealth as detection tech advances. Adversaries field more powerful, diverse-frequency radars pressuring legacy stealth assumptions. Upgrades likely include next-gen radar-absorbent materials and coatings, absorbing wider bands to darken the jet further. An IRST, passive thermal search and track, lets the Raptor find stealthy threats without emitting. In EM silent fights, that is game-changing. The Raptor can hunt with IRST alone. An even deadlier, silent killer. Upgraded EW will jam radars, deceive seekers and shield itself from electronic attacks. A bubble of confusion blinds and deafens opponents, protecting the Raptor and its strike package. All tied together by new processors and software, so the pilot sees a clearer battle space, not more clutter. Beyond sensors and stealth, the transformation centers on a revamped open digital architecture. Open systems architecture swaps a closed proprietary past for modular, rapidly upgradable systems. New radios, sensors and algorithms can be integrated faster and cheaper. Connectivity leaps forward. Modern data links let the F-22 finally share its unrivaled picture, from lone wolf to team quarterback, directing the fight from virtual invisibility. A new backbone enables AI and machine learning to manage tasks and recommend tactics in real time. An AI co-pilot can handle electronic warfare flows, freeing the human to command the mission. This is where air combat is headed, and this upgrade puts the Raptor at the forefront. The timing is no accident. Near-peer competitors, most notably China, are reshaping the calculus. Advanced fighters, robust air defenses, and dense sensors now challenge free operations in key regions. U.S. focus shifts from counterinsurgency to high-end peer conflict, where day-one air dominance is vital. The Raptor is the door kicker, first in to dismantle integrated air defenses. A small fleet facing tougher defenses drives urgent, multi-billion-dollar upgrades. It signals resolve to rivals and reassures allies, Japan, South Korea, Australia, that America brings its best. China must now plan against a Raptor that is smarter, stealthier, more connected, a strategic move that strengthens alliances, deters aggression, and prepares for the worst. Measure the upgrade against China's J-20 Mighty Dragon, a 5th-gen stealth design with reach. Even before the upgrade, the F-22 held edges in comprehensive stealth, maneuverability, and mature fusion. J-20 reduces head-on signature, but the Raptor is harder to detect from all angles. Fresh coatings and a potent IRST blunt radar advances and let the Raptor hunt by heat. It bypasses radar stealth, turning the tables in silence. Supercruise and thrust vectoring keep energy high and options open. The upgraded brain networks seamlessly. An F-22 can launch guided by data from an F-35 far away. Information flows instantly in a combat cloud China is still mastering. Result: a profound tactical advantage for the upgraded Raptor and the US team. Analysts met the upgrade with surprise and strong approval. Many call capping the fleet at 187 a strategic error. This spend acknowledges and corrects course. It also bridges to NGAD, open architectures and agile dev tested on the Raptor first. Experts agree, networking and data sharing are the most transformative elements. Once a genius who couldn't speak the room's language, now a master communicator. Sharing a god's eye view makes the whole force more lethal and survivable. Caution: the fleet remains small. Attrition and maintenance limit jets on the line. Upgrades make each Raptor far more capable, but demand management remains critical. It will be the sharpest sword, one the Air Force must wield carefully. The $10 billion upgrade is not a life extension, it's a reinvention. Next-gen stealth, new sensors, and an open architecture brain reset the clock on dominance. It declares American air power is accelerating, forcing rivals to chase once again. The strategic balance shifts, especially across the Pacific. China must now contend with a stealthier, smarter, fully networked predator that can see without being seen. A quarterback in the sky, linking advanced warplanes into one lethal team. AI-fused insight delivers decisions at the speed of relevance in hostile airspace. Human-machine teaming pairs the best hardware with the most effective warfighters. This isn't just modernization, it secures a new era of air dominance. The king is back and more powerful than ever.